Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS SNS for scalable pub/sub alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS simple notification service for scalable pub/sub alerts, start by logging into your AWS management console. Once you are logged in, navigate to the AWS SNS service by typing SNS in the search bar. On the SNS dashboard, click on Topics located in the left-hand menu. Next, click on the Create Topic button. Choose the standard type for broader scalability. Enter a name for your topic in the topic name field. You can add an optional display name to make it easier to identify. Click the Create Topic button to finalize the creation process. After creating the topic, navigate to the Subscriptions section on the left menu. Click on the Create Subscription button. Enter the endpoint for your chosen protocol in the endpoint field. Have them confirm the subscription to start receiving messages. Now that you have your topic and subscription set up, you can publish messages. Go back to the Topics section and select the topic you created. Click on the Publish Message button. Fill in the subject and message fields with the desired content. Choose an optional message format, such as JSON, if required. Click the Publish Message button to send your alert. Monitor your SNS dashboard to view metrics related to message delivery and subscription activity. For advanced use, consider integrating SNS with AWS Lambda to trigger actions based on alerts. If you wish to manage permissions, visit the Access Policies section for your topic. Once configurations are complete, test your setup by publishing different messages. With these steps completed, you have successfully activated AWS SNS for scalable pub/sub alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.